What's up, everybody? Jake here, aka BrusHstroKeZ, and we're back with another video here. It's time for another BrusHstroKeZ sticker giveaway. So those of you that are new to the channel, every 100 subscribers, I am giving away stickers. I usually have a little challenge or just have you leave a little comment in the giveaway video to be entered into the giveaway. Um, so one thing I am going to do too at 500 subscribers, I'm actually going to give away something different. We're not going to do stickers, and I'll probably just do one winner at that time. And we're going to do something a little different. Maybe some BrusHstroKeZ merchandise, maybe some supplies if you're a painter as well, or maybe even a piece of original artwork from me as well. So stay tuned for the 500 subscriber giveaway. It also helps me get more subscribers if you hit that like button and comment on any of my videos. So I appreciate all those thumbs up and all your comments. So let's get into it. Everybody that commented on our last giveaway video is going to be a winner this time. So we only had one winner that is a second time winner that will be getting the bigger sticker. But our winners for this giveaway are Gary's Fishing, Dusty Art, who is our second time winner and gets a bigger sticker this time, John Payne, Jersey Joe, Lucas W37, olkutty, Dyna, and Airbrushing by Nick. So all of you are winners. To get these stickers to you, I am going to need your addresses if you're willing to give that out. I will leave my contact info down in the description box below. You can either send me a message through my BrusHstroKeZ Facebook page, Instagram, or if you don't have either one of those, the link to my website's on there. Just go to the Contact Me section, and then there's a little form that you can fill out there, and that'll go directly to my email. Just shoot me your address and your name. Send me your screen name and your real name, or I can just make it out to your screen name if you don't want to give out your real name. But I do need to know who you are if you're sending me a message. Last giveaway, I had to go back and forth with a few people to figure out what their YouTube screen name was. So yeah, that's what we had today. I did finish clearing the tank this morning. Did get a couple of runs, so I'm gonna have to take care of those. But I do have the video footage of that. I'll get that put together and probably drop that video in the next day or two here. So I appreciate all you new subscribers out there. If you do have any questions, drop them in the comments in any of my videos. I do respond to all the comments. If there's something you want to see, I'll do my best to make a video for you or answer your question. So till next time, keep those brushes stroking.